next time went for CDS, and of course I took guidance from you for interview thing. And sir, it has been really helpful. Means the entire episode changed. As in the way, the confidence that I had before meeting you and after I met you, it was through Brigadier Shashank I met you.
Yes.
So yeah, sir, it was amazing, and the things that you made me realize was something I used to ignore always.
For example,
sir, very little things, like I had played volleyball a lot, but I never was confident that this is something that would have done. Because always, from my family members and all, this volleyball kya khel ke kuch nahi milta aise karke. But then when I met you, very little things, sir. Like my participation in school, in college, in volleyball in particular. So these were the things I got this realization that this is something that I have done, and I should be confident about it. I should be proud about it.
yes.
And in particular, sir, about stage 2, psych was average, I would say. Then about the interview portion, I'll be a bit detailed. For interview, my chess number was 5, and 1 to 7 were to report for this interview first day to the same interviewing officer. So first 5 candidates, first 4 candidates, when they went to the interviewing officer's room, so they returned with somebody coming out with yaar ye nahi bata paya kuch to, somebody coming with red face, somebody coming with yellow face. So I just asked them, is the interview based on PIQ, or is it somewhere inclined towards current affairs and GK portion? So when they said that it's about PIQ, so since you had guided us a lot about the personal informations, as I told you, that realizing self-belief, confidence in the hard work we have done. So it is all that helped me to answer the questions that were based on PIQ easily. I went to the hall, room, sorry, and then the conversation started, and almost everything I knew about me. Nothing was new, I mean, sir. What he asked, I could, answer very proudly, swiftly. It was very easy, very cozy, sir. And if I compare it with my last SSB's interview, last SSB, sir, I went and, I felt like my chair is inclined at some 45 degrees. Such was the pressure and the lack of confidence in me.
Okay.
So this time I felt very cozy sitting, comfortably with confidence. I had a very nice conversation. It lasted for 35 odd minutes, and he asked me questions, many questions he asked me. A few I could not answer answer what? It was that I answered them partially. I could not answer them fully based on general knowledge it was. But then I came out with a bright, smiling face out the entering officer's hall room. And then I said that it went very well to my mates out there.